it's Brett and I am back with another weekly video. So if you missed last week's video, we talked about what you should be doing 9 to 12 months before your wedding. And then in today's video, we're going to talk about what you should be doing 4 to 8 months before your wedding. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So from 4 to 8 months, you have a lot of stuff that you should be doing. My number one thing to you is you should be finalizing every single vendor that you did not already book previously. So if you booked your cake, your DJ, and your photographer, great, you have a great start. Go ahead and book everything else during this time period. After 4 months, there should not be a single vendor that you have not booked. You should have booked catering, you should have booked floral, you should have booked videography. Literally everything should already be booked during this 4 to 8 month window. Don't let anything go past that 4 months, because that's when you're going to start having trouble finding people with availability. Especially now since COVID, people are booking up super fast, so don't let anything go past that 4 month period. This is also the time when you are going to want to get your alterations done to your wedding dress. You're going to want to order your bridesmaids dresses. So you should definitely get input from all of them, talk about color, talk about style. Do you want all of your girls to match, wear the exact same dress? Or do you just want them to all have the same color, but you can let them pick the different style? This is the time to go ahead and decide that and find their dresses. I would also say that this is the time when you're going to want the guys to start trying on their tuxes, going ahead and figuring out what they're going to wear. Guys, they have it so easy. They really don't have to order their tuxes. I would say 4 months in advance is plenty of time, but you're gonna wanna start talking about what you want them to wear. Is this going to be a super casual event, jeans and a button up, or are you gonna do formal tuxes, bow ties? Start talking about those kinds of things and finding a place where you feel comfortable ordering all of their suits from. What you're also gonna wanna do is go ahead and pick your hair and your makeup style. You need to do a trial run. Even if you completely trust the hair and makeup team, do a trial run. It is going to be a huge weight off your shoulders, because then you know that you're gonna be happy the way you look on your wedding day. If you go ahead and practice it and you say, oh, I really actually don't like the glitter eyeshadow, I think I don't want to use it and I want to go for more of a matte look. Great, I'm glad that you figured that out, and now on your wedding day you can save so much time, so that way they don't have to take it off and redo it. You know what you like. Or, oh, we did my hair up and I actually think now I want to do it down. Great, so glad that you did that trial run and figured that out. So go ahead and do that hair and makeup trial run and nail in what you want to look like on your wedding day. During this time frame, you are also going to want to send out your save the dates. I would recommend sending your save the dates out 6 months in advance. This is not a wedding invitation. You can go ahead and check out one of my other videos talking about the differences, but you do want to send out your save the dates 6 months in advance. This is also the time when you're going to want to research wedding insurance. Although we don't require it, I still highly recommend it. You would not buy a house without insurance. You would not buy a car without insurance. You would not buy a diamond ring without insurance. A wedding is the same thing. Get the insurance. You will thank me later. This is also the time when you're going to want to set up hotel room blocks, especially if you have a lot of out-of-town guests coming. They will be super thankful that you have given them some options as places to stay. Especially if they're not from the area, it can be a little bit challenging for them to find places to stay. They don't know which ones are nice. They don't know which ones are close by. So you setting up hotel room blocks for them is going to be very much appreciated. A lot of times they will also give you discounted rates, so be sure that you are asking about that. This is also the time that you are going to want to order all of your rentals. So chargers, plates, silverware, napkins, go ahead and get that all ordered. This is also the time that you're going to want to finalize your catering menu. You're also going to want to finalize your floral selections. So get together with your florist, with your decorator, and go ahead and nail down those final details. So the last thing that you should be doing during this time frame is planning your honeymoon. This is something that y'all can do together. It's super fun. Take a little break from wedding planning and focus on the honeymoon. Talk about where you want to go, how many days are you gonna stay, and go ahead and get that all booked. and out of the way. A little bonus tip I have for you is if you are putting everything on a credit card, like, you know, everything that you're buying for the wedding, your dress, your photographer, your DJ, if you're putting all those charges on a credit card, make sure that you're getting a credit card that gives you miles or some kind of points, and you can trade those in for your honeymoon. That is definitely a huge piece of advice that I love. It's take advantage of it. If they're giving you points, use them for the honeymoon. Just do it and you will thank me later. And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.